Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about, does Bitcoin show some weakness? And if you watched my last video, we had some really great long trades and Bitcoin was able, this ascending channel here has been going on since almost the beginning of January, yeah. And we broke down here and then we were able to break into it again, okay? So if you also want to trade, guys, you also get the highest available bonuses if you use the links down in the description. And let me show you what happened on the smaller time frames. Okay, guys, let me show you. So first of all, yesterday the CPI data was released, and as you can see here, the forecast was 6%, and the actual result was also 6%. And then we had this shot up. The price went up. And we actually exactly touched this. Let me show you guys. We actually exactly touched this upper resistance line, okay? Then we got rejected. The question now is, where will we go? As you can see here, if you take a look at the VPVR, we have a lot of volume. The most traded volume is here at about the 20K price range. And as you can see here, we really went pretty high here with the RSI. So I would say this is now some kind of cool down phase, okay? And this is also healthy for the market because if the RSI is overbought, it has to cool down at some point. And as you can see here, the point that we have to break to flip really bullish again and go up is about $25,200. And then the next resistance would be at about 26,500. So a lot of upside potential. I would say this is some kind of cool down phase. The next, let's say, somehow major support level is about 24,100. That means we could trade in this range for some time until we see the next major move, hopefully to the upside or to the downside, whatever. We will react accordingly. And I told you guys yesterday that once we break above this, I will scale up my long trades, or it's always a good idea, if we touch some major resistance or support line, to take some profits. It's never wrong to take profits, okay? That's what's going on with Bitcoin right now. So let's see if we stay in this range, or it's really bullish, a really bullish sign if you break above this 25.2K level, or then next step above this one, then the next resistance would be at about $27,800. Let me also show what is pretty bullish for Bitcoin is that Binance, given the changes in stablecoins and banks, Binance will convert the remaining $1 billion from BUSD to native crypto, including Bitcoin, BNB, and Ethereum. So guys, what should this mean? If they convert it, this means they buy more Bitcoin, and usually if a huge amount, let's say 1 billion, I don't know how much of this they will use for Bitcoin, but this should usually lead to a price spike, guys, okay? So it looks pretty good. Right now, as I would say, just remain in. If you followed my long trades, you can just remain in the position. If you took some profits up here, congratulations, guys. And the next steps, as you know, we can do once we break above those levels here, guys, okay? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.